So like, hi guys. It's two shorts in the same day, same topic. So like, here I wanted to show you this. I don't know why they're screaming. So like here's that, and then there's the chicken that I was chasing right there. The grass, and then here's the them they're screaming, and then the field, cinder blocks, their food kinda. So like yeah, come here to see like animals, Madina farm. And then there's the other chickens, different colors. And then there's goose, they finally quiet down. Well, never mind. So like, yeah. I might do another YouTube short, but like, probably not. So like, bye.